How to install USA Network app. So just tap get and then from here double click to install, and yeah, you can just get it. So this is the app is the best place to catch up on the most recent season of your favorite shows, watch live TV and stream movies and past season content. Download USA app now to watch full episodes of Grizzly Knows Bass, WWE Raw, Temptation Island, Miss and many more. So you need to sign in with your TV subscription. It supports DirecTV, Spectrum, Xfinity, Dish, and AT&T. So that's basically what it is here, and that's where you have it. So yeah, just open up the app, and then there's the app here, and then yeah, you just have it, and then just that's the onboarding. By signing up, you can instantly get 3 free credits, and then yeah, just you can see sports, you can see just different shows, and then here there are some live events, there are some scheduling, and yeah, then there is some search. So yep, that's what it is. That's the app. And then in your account in top right, then you just go in here, and then you need to link your TV provider subscription from here. So yep, that's what it is.